Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Coily. Thank you for clicking and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. I know that it has been forever and a day from a return subbies, but I am bringing you a haul today, so that means that we have new products to try. No, the Naturalistas and the Naturalistas, we gotta work on that. Know that when you have beautiful natural hair, you have a tendency to buy products. Just reminisce on all of the money that I've spent on products over the years. My habit is not as bad as some people's habit, but it definitely, when I look around, I'm like, oh, I have all these products. I use like 3 or 4 of them, the same 3 or 4. But I have actually never ordered from this company before, but I noticed that they were having a sale. This was a few months back, by the way. Ben had these things. Ben supposed to do this video, but don't judge me. And it is Carol's Daughter, as you probably guessed from the title. This does not even really have on any logo. So here's some packaging. It's really simple packaging. I need to make sure that I hide my address when I edit this video. And I actually have 2 boxes. So I have that box and this smaller box. Let's start with the smaller box. I have no idea what I ordered, but I plan to review all of these products for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing that and you have not subscribed as yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button. So this actually just has in one product, well, package. I don't know if it came from somewhere else or something, but this one is the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Nourishing and Conditioning Cleansing Conditioner for curls, coils, kinks, and waves. Deeply moisturizes, improves softness, prevents frizz, and it says I don't know. Share, pro vitamin B5. Born in Brooklyn, made with love. I'm just checking on the packaging, y'all, because like I said, I've heard of Carol's Daughter, but I've never had one product from them. Now I have a few. Okay, it smells like lotion. It definitely has a big lotion scent, Jergens or something, I don't know. So for this one, you wet your hair completely so the no ladder co-wash can work easily. Hopefully about that. Gently massage into your scalp, especially the end, 3 to 5 minutes. It can deeply nourish your curls. Rinse with warm water. Okay, so we have this one. I don't know if I got the co-wash, but we'll find out. Goodies, 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 goodies. Okay. Is this the co-wash? But I also got the Rassol Clay. If I pronounce these words wrong, y'all don't judge me. I have the Rassol Clay. And this is the Active Living Hair Care Enriching Conditioner for overworked and overwashed hair. I don't have those issues because I don't wash my hair often, but hey, I'm sure the nutrients can assist me one way or the other. It helps restore essential moisture, revitalizes tired hair, adds brilliant glossy shine. It has in Rassol Clay, aloe juice, cactus flower, in addition to, of course, the ingredients at the back. But I guess those are the main ingredients. Okay. This has BBC scent, Bailey's something coconut. That's what BBC even stands for. But yeah, that drink, if y'all know it, it smells like that. So we got that. Then we have the Pracaxi Nectar. So styling by nature. This is the curl twisting custard. So let's see if we can get some bomb twist outs with this. For curls and coils, it adds moisture, enhances style definition, helps prevent frizz with Pracaxi oil, acai extract, and shea butter. And speaking of a twist out, what's a perfect twist out? It's a twist out that lasts, it's soft to touch and full of shine. This creamy custard is the way to achieve it. It's light enough to layer without weighing hair down, important, and thick enough to hold natural styles without leaving behind a sticky, flaky residue. It's infused with Pracaxi oil, the conditioning miracle of nectar of Brazil, acai extract, and shea butter to help give hair flexible control and a shiny finish. Set up your curls to be healthy looking and beautiful. So you're to apply this on clean, damp, and detangled hair, work it through it, and I guess you do your 2-strand twist. Let's see what this smells like. I will say that so far, I didn't even say what it smells like. It just smells like a cream. But so far I've realized they have a scent, but it's not necessarily a sweet scent. It's not a bad scent, but you know some people like really perfume these things, like they smell very strong. That's not the case with these, but it definitely has, I don't know, it's more lotiony scent. Okay, Mimosa Hair Honey. This is the hairdress. Shine pomade for dry, brittle, and textured hair. Moisturizes scalp, conditions hair, controls frizz. Shea, cocoa, and nettles. This one smells how it looks. Like, it definitely has a orange scent to it. Place a small amount into the palm of your hands and then rub hands together. Apply to damp or dry hair. Gently walk into scalp. Use a comb, small parts, apply small amount to scalp. So this can be used on hair and scalp. It smells good though. It could easily be like the best smelling one that I've smelled so far. Okay, let's see. Next we have hair milk. Hair milk. What have we seen? Where have we seen this before? Okay, so this is the hair milk nourishing and conditioning alcohol-free gel for curls, coils, kinks, and waves. Deeply moisturizes, improves softness, prevents frizz. I gave castor oil, tropical chestnut. I guess these are from the same line. So I have the cleansing conditioner and then I have the alcohol-free gel. Let's see how this smells. Okay, I don't know if I can open it that way, so. This doesn't have a sweet scent. It's just like they put the products had a scent, and this is what it smells like. It's no sweet scent to this at all. No alcohol, no parabens, no mineral oil, and no artificial colors. Okay? Good. Oh, they even recommend, they say use it on clean, damp hair. Apply gel evenly from root to tip, working curls into your desired style. For faster drying, sit under a dryer or a usable dryer with a diffuser. For second day hair, apply hair milk refresher spray evenly on dry style hair to reactivate gel. Use fingers to reshape and scrunch curls back into place. So they even have a refreshing spray. I don't think I got it, but they have one. They actually even made a mistake with evenly. Someone didn't proofread. Next up, what's missing from here? Oh no. Why is this? I don't know. So again, from the hair milk line, I must have liked this, or it must have really been on sale when I was buying these things. We have the Nourishing and Conditioning Styling Pudding for curls, coils, kinks, and waves. Deeply moisturizes, improves softness, prevents frizz. It's basically the same thing as its predecessors. Let's go ahead and take this off. I mean, nothing else is all wrapped up like this, but I digress. Yeah, they have like the same scent. Like it's not a sweet scent. It just smells like lotion, like some type of lotion. Like, is this for my hair? Are they sure? But yeah. Almost there. I see they sent samples because they want me to get this. The samples are the repairing sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner from the Monoi. Hopefully that's how it's pronounced line. I guess that's what they're pushing right now. And next up we have from the, I'll just assume that, I don't know, evaporation or maybe it leaked out because I see the cover is off, but I'm not pleased with the, or maybe that's because of, I don't know, but I'm just not pleased that it's not folded all the way up, okay? These things cost money. But this is the Pocazzi Nectar Style and Create Style and Whole Foam for all hair types. Prevents conditioning, provides conditioning hold, helps fight frizz, adds softness and shine. It smells like, soap. This one smells like a tough bottle of soap. Okay, we'll see. We can try all these products out and I'm gonna give y'all the deets, okay? Y'all gonna know what's popping and what's not. And then we have the almond milk, which is a daily damage repair. This is an ultra nourishing hair mask. I do not like to smell that foam. No, mad I smelled it. But this reverses damage, deeply nourishes, and protects against damage. Almond milk, aloe, shea oil. This one does not have the white thing inside, which caught me off guard. This smells so good. This smells like cake dough, cookie dough, not cake dough, cake batter, cookie dough. It smells like cookie dough. It's like they actually, you know, put some, I don't know if it's the almond milk that saved it, but they put some effort into the scent of this one. And then, last but not least, I got a velvet body cream. I bought body cream. Okay. This is tiny. How much did I pay for this? It doesn't smell all that. It looks cute though, like for your dressing table or something. Did I pay for this? Oh, no. I got a free gift. This was free. This was free because I know that I know I did not pay for that. So, yeah, free gift. But I will say this. When I saw this sale and I went on, I'm like, I'm gonna get these stuff so I can try these out for my viewers and for myself and just see how they go. I ended up with a lot of body products, like lotions and stuff like that, not realizing they weren't hair products. They looked so much like hair products. So definitely look out for that if you order from Carol's Daughter. Again, hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up. I have the videos ready to crank out for you. And we're gonna try each of these products and see if Carol's Daughter knows what she's doing, okay? Because she can't be out here playing with our emotions and playing with our coins, okay? Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.